going good.
All right. When you get over to the other side, stop her, back her up about 3 strides, turn her around and come this other way.
Yeah, she
Come
just...
make a whole circle. Let her, Micah, lope around first, and then stop her over there, back her, let her set, turn her around, start off this way.
Need...
Let her puff to her and see if she... Come right on this way. Make a circle and stop over there after you get over there. See if she'll lope off.
She's getting near that gate.
That's it. Keep her nose. Keep her nose.
There
keep
you
her
go.
Nose. Let her lope. Let her lope. Now, when you get over there, keep her going.
Keep her going all the way.
Now get over there and stop her.
Stop here?
Yeah. All right. Now let her stand. Head on her neck a little. All right. Now back her up about 3, 4 steps. Use your legs and hands both. All right. Now turn her to your right. Use your left leg into her. That a boy. All right. Now let her trot on out. If she wants to lope, let her lope. Kind of spooch to her.
She don't want to now that it's somebody else's idea. Look at that ear. You're going to have to push her because she's wanting to quit because it's not her idea.
Right. Watch your nose.
Oh, ill, ill, ill.
Good boy. That's great. I'll stop her down there. There you are.
She heard the word.
Okay, that's good. Now turn her around. There you are. Now just let her walk around one.